Shelby's first day on skis at 17 months.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, giant dog turds. Whoa!
She's coming out of that one ski, or else she's trying to telly.
Oh! Coming out. Let's get this a little tighter.
Hi, Miss Shelby, little ski bunny. Hi, everybody. Are you having fun? We're interviewing the future World Cup champion. Are you having fun, Shelby? Okay. Come to me. Look at you.
Whoa! Whoa!
She's smiling as long as you have her, don't let go.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, wait, stop. I'm gonna try on your by yourself. You're on your own. Look, Mom, no hands.
Daddy, say, help me, Daddy. Okay, how do you stop it?
Whoa! You just push the button.